Hello students, we have already studied and tried to understand the first chapter, that was success. Now we are going to follow this unit number 2, and the name of the lesson is With Love and Compassion. Students, love is a complex set of emotion, behavior with strong feeling of affection, protectiveness, respect for another person. Compassion is a sympathetic pity and concern for suffering people. There is a story in the Bible. Once Jesus told a story in the Bible. There was once a man who was going down from Jerusalem to Jericho, when robbers attacked him, stripped him, and beat him up, leaving him half dead. It so happened that a priest was going down that road, but when he saw the man, he walked on by on the other side. In the same way, a religious scholar also came along, went over and looked at the man, and then walked on by on the other side. But a Samaritan, a low caste person who was traveling that way, came upon the man. When he saw him, his heart was filled with pity. He went over to him, poured oil and wine on his wounds, and bandaged him. Then he put the man on his own animal and took him to the hospital, where he took care of him. The next day he took out 2 silver coins and gave to the doctor. "Take care of him," he told the innkeeper, "and when he would come back this way, he would pay him whatever else he has spent on him." Students, what we can conclude from this story, from the Bible? It is showing love and compassion for the stranger. It shows that not only our brothers, sisters, our relatives, or our neighbors are the true neighbors. No. Anyone whom we help is our true neighbor. There is another story, the 9 gold medals. 9 gold medals by Roth is one of the most popular inspirational poems. It underlines the idea of empathy and human values. It gives us the message that what values most in life is the sense of sharing others' pain and sorrow, and trying to cheer up and encourage the weak and the fallen. It presents an imaginary situation of a race in which the contestants are ready to compete against one another to win a gold medal. When they see a weak contestant fall down, they forget the desire to win the race. They all help the weaker contestant and go hand in hand to the finishing line. They are all awarded gold medals in appreciation of upholding the true spirit of sports. Students, that was just an introduction, and to motivate you about this chapter, that is with love and compassion, that we cannot live in isolation. We should have love for the others. So now we have brainstorming session. In the first chapter also we did very nicely the brainstorming chapter, and I hoped you might have also made your own reflections. Now The first question is, what is love and compassion? Love is a complex set of emotions, behavior with strong feeling of affection, protectiveness, respect for another person. Compassion is a sympathetic pity and concern for the suffering people. We have both the meaning, love and compassion. Another one, does love make a difference in the world? How? How love can make a difference in the world? Students, I leave upon you to decide, to think about this statement or question. Without love, what could have been happened if we don't love others? Love makes the world go round. So just think about this. What are the opposite emotions of love? If we hate others, loath, malice in our heart, hatred that destroys the human relationship, is the opposite of emotions of love. How will this world be without love and compassion? Again, similar question. Second and fourth. This world turned into desert, annihilation like the World War I and World War II. It was only because of hatred that there was destruction, terrorism and all that. There is no love in them. So love for the humanity is a must. And that is why we are together. The whole world is as a global world, a global village. It brings us together. Do little acts of love help the world? How? Love and brotherhood make the world a global village, a better place. I have already discussed. So you also think about this. Love makes the world go round. There is one song also, Love Makes the World Go Round. You just listen that one. And Michael Jackson's song is there. If there is any place that should be a love in your heart that makes the world go round. So students, these all you have to study. Think about this one. And how can we forget Mother Teresa, who came from Macedonia, left her country, her family, and worked for the Indians? That was because of love. To work, to help the poor, the needy, the suffering people, the orphanages. So, we should have love for each other.